Back anytime now. Race number 2. All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. Juvenile Colt, first leg. Anytime now. And the race is on. Hot and Spicy by the route from the outside is Unthinkable. Magic in the Air running in third by the Jalapeno is the elite trailer. Hot and Spicy by about 2 lengths, followed by Unthinkable in second. Magic in the Air is running by the and Jalapeno is still bring up the rear. And rounding the far turn, Hot and Spicy by about 2 lengths. Unthinkable on the outside, Magic in the Air done on the inside, and Jalapeno as they race the final corner. Hot and Spicy by linking up, Unthinkable on the outside, Magic in the Air, Jalapeno, and inside the last 200, Hot and Spicy by linking up, Unthinkable opted to run down on the inside, and ring the last 75 meters, Hot and Spicy with the edge. Barbie Jr. winning the 2012 first leg Juvenile Colt Stake race. Second,